Good evening, dear students. You are most welcome in our YouTube channel Learning with Rajesh. In ninth class geography, today we are going to start lesson number 1, India, size and location. So, in this English medium class, we are going to start it with keywords. So, first one, globe. You know that globe is the true model of earth. You learned it in 6th class also. So after that there is the second one important, latitude. Latitude are the imaginary lines on the globe which join eastern hemisphere to the western hemisphere. Yeah, after that, longitudes. Longitudes are the imaginary lines which join north pole to the south pole. These are the long lines and the latitudes are the slanting line. After that, IST. IST in the lesson stands for Indian Standard Time. So we shall learn it in a different subtopic. And the next one, coastal area. You know that coastal area is the area that belongs to the water area. It means along with the sea. And the next one, subcontinent. India and its neighboring countries are known as subcontinent because on the globe India and its neighboring country looks like a different, a specific, in a specific mode, in a specific art. And the next one, bay. Bay is the part of coast where the land goes into form a curve, where the land form a curve. This part of the coastal area is known as bay, and as you are going to read about Bay of Bengal in the lesson. And the next one point, island. You know that island is the land surrounded with water, and there are two major islands in India. You are going to read in the rest of lesson. I hope you got all the points. Now my first question for you, what do you mean by coastal area? And I hope you know the answer, that area that belongs to the sea or water area. And the next one point of the day, India location. As you know that we are going to read about the location of India. India is located in northern hemisphere. Now you can look the art where equator divides the earth into two parts, and the northern part is known as northern hemisphere and the southern part is known as southern hemisphere. India is located in the northern hemisphere. And now the major point of the lesson is latitudinal extent of India. You know that equator is also the latitudinal line. You know that the lines which join eastern part to the western part are known as latitudes. So latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute in the north and 37 degrees 6 north. This one is the latitudinal value of India. And the next one, longitudinal value, 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east is the longitudinal value of India. Longitudinal here means the long line is known as longitudinal, and longitudinal, you know that from area from here to here, this one area is known as a longitudinal extent. You can say that this one part in the west part India is 68 degrees 7 minute east. I think you got the point. What is the longitudinal value? After that, the Tropic of Cancer passes through India. It divides India into two parts. So you know that there are three major imaginary lines or major latitudes on the globe. First one is equator, second one is Tropic of Cancer, and third one is Tropic of Capricorn. You know that in the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Cancer is the major latitudes, and the latitudinal value of Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north, and this one line passes through India. And now the next one point, India, you know that there is north, south, east and west. In southeast of India there is Bay of Bengal. In southwest of India there is Arabian Sea. And in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal there are two islands located in India. First one, in Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Island located. On the other hand, on Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island is located. I think you got the point. And the next one, size of India. There can be a separate question in the exam. So write a note on size of India. So you can write these 4-5 points. So now the total area, geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. And the second one point, India occurs or means got the 2.4% area of total area of the world. For example, world is located on 100%, India is located on 2.4% of the world. And the third one point, 17.5% population of the world live in India. And the next one point, India is the 7th largest country of the world according to area. And you know that which are the 6 other countries. The next point based on this point. So these are the 6 other countries. I made a code for them. RCUC went in a bus. RCUC, Rahul Chawla, Usha Chawla. You can learn in any manner. R here means Russia, C here means Canada, U for USA, C for China, and B for Brazil, AS stands for Australia. I think you got the point. And the sixth point, Indian land boundaries contains 15,200 kilometers. And the next one, total coastline of India is 7,516.6 kilometers. And India is bounded with Jungfrau Mountain in the north, and that Jungfrau Mountain is known as Himalayas. And India's boundary is taper in the south. It means narrow in the south. When you observe the map of India, there is a narrower part in comparison to north in the south. I think you got the point. If you have any problem in getting any point, you can leave a comment in the comment box. I think you joined our session, and thank you and have a good evening again. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share and like also. Thank you.